It's your boy Rich coming back with another video. I apologize for a little bit of different quality. We are on my GoPro. It's got a little crack in the lens, but we are doing kind of like a POV style video today with the TSX, then going longboarding and at the beach, just giving a bunch of different views. Trying to have a good time, you know, a little vlog kind of ordeal. Yeah, you could definitely see the crack. My girl left it in her purse and yeah, the thing's cracked. So we're trying to make use of it. Yesterday, we were driving to the farmer's market, me in the TSX with my girl and her mom. First time ever in the TSX, and so happened to get pulled over and got a $207 ticket for going at 52 in a 40, which is complete bullshit, man. This dude was coming from the opposite direction. With his eyes visually said, you know, I was going 50, then his moving radar got me at 52. This Toyota that was in front of me was going way faster, and other cars next to me were all going the same speed, so I have literally no fucking idea what he's talking about, man. Like, it's really just him trying to get his quota and them just fucking bullshit and lying through their teeth, just trying to get some money out people. So I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do with this situation. It's just annoying because I just had a speeding ticket with a Prius going to Barry's. Now this, from literally doing nothing, bro. I was in 5th gear cruising in the car going to buy some fucking fruit, man. Buy some fruit, and ends up being a $207 ticket. Your boy's not trying to have points on his insurance. So yeah, it's pretty annoying, But yeah, let's go on the TSX. I got you guys on this like little suction cup. Get different views. I'm gonna suction cup you guys to the window, get some different views, and yeah, I don't know, just go to the beach and longboard. We got the clip-on thing for the longboards. Got our shoes ready. Alright y'all, now we're in the TSX. Oh, thank you for the order on the mirror. I seen that thing coming from Rock Auto because my right side mirror is still not there. But do a little drive and we'll go to the beach that's down the street. Honeymoon. Respectful in my neighborhood too. I don't be, you know, flying through here, nothing like that. Oh, you're getting tickets for doing nothing, cruising to go to the farmer's market. Hella annoying, man, hella annoying. So these fat ass fucking bald-headed cops on the bullshit. you guys different angles, man. Have fun. Different POVs. This is just, you know, kind of like a day in the life and enjoying the scenery and the nice views, the nice weather, cruising, getting fucking tickets for no reason, you know. But you guys can see smoking over there. Hopefully lens crack thing isn't affecting too much, guys. I'm over here trying to focus on way too much. We're wearing jean shorts like a fucking dummy. But y'all be wearing tight ass jeans while, you know, skateboarding and shit, so I don't know. Sorry, I'm just playing. I need to talk to y'all. Time to head back towards the house. Still at the moment, so there's another downfall. It's pretty hot, as you can tell. I'm fucking sweating.
Tomorrow.
Time to take a couple flicks, you know. See what the vibes are. I installed my rear lip today. The car is looking so much better. Obviously with the reflectors too, so it just matches real nice. So now I'm able to take some ass shots and whatnot.
you can hear me or not. I need to have the windows open. AC still doesn't work. And my car is extra loud, so we got all sorts of noises going on. But we're driving down towards Tampa right now, and you'll just see the scenery, nice views, and the whole 9 yards. Enjoy the nice weather. Been a bad one, y'all. If I didn't stop like that shit, just like that one, fuck, these roads suck. It's that low life. Time, like, good job. Mind this, guys, because I forgot to put 2 screws in here, and yeah, I gotta find some nuts for this. Oh yeah, you don't want to play it off. Left here, right? happen. Seems about Florida.
I never take a day off, work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off.